What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create team with only your created players in MLB The Show 26. Doing this is pretty easy. First go to the top right corner and select create, then go to roster control. Here we need to select create player in order to create our players. Once you select that, then choose if you want to create male player or female player. After that you can change his general settings such as his name, region, birthplace, last name, so all of those stuffs can be done from here. So I want to name him Nathan. Now type last name, it will be Smith, and then confirm your changes. Now the name has been changed. So basically you can go through all of these options to customize your players in detail. You can go to physical appearance to change his body, head, hair, eyebrows, so you can customize all of these things from here. Then you can change the motions and sounds, equipments. One important thing to keep in mind, set your players attributes very low, even around a 1 overall. This is because your created players goes into the free agent pool, which is a really long list. By keeping the overall low, your player will show up right at the bottom, so you don't have to scroll through a ton of players to find them. And don't worry about the low rating, since you can always adjust or upgrade your players attributes later once you're inside franchise mode. So I'm just gonna randomize the appearance for my player. For that, press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation to randomize your player appearance. So I'm happy with this creation. Now to save it, press the options button on PlayStation or menu key on your Xbox controller. Then it will open these options. From here, select free agent pool and export player. Now type the player name, it will be Nathan, and then we have to create a save file here. After that, the player will be saved in our game. Now you can just go to create player again and again to create your multiple players, and once your entire team is ready, then just go to roster control and then pick the team where you want to swap your team. So let's say I want to use this team as my own team, so that's why I need to select this team here. Then go to player movement. Now go to the right hand side and press LB on Xbox or L1 on PlayStation. Press the button multiple times until you reach free agents. So as you can see, these are all free agents. Now we need to go down to the bottom, and then you will find all of your created players if you don't change their attributes, because this list is sorted on overall rating basis. So that's why you can see I can find my player at the bottom because his overall rating is 1. Now we just have to select our player and replace him on your team. So let's say I want to replace the player with this one, then the player will be swapped here. So what we need to do, we need to take players from free agents and put them into your selected team, and then this team will act as your own custom created players team. And now we need to go back from here. For that, press B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation and then save these changes into your roster. After that, we need to press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation in order to fix this roster, and then again select OK. After that, our players will be added into this team. Just remember the name of the team you used. So this is the team which is Toronto Blue Jays. So I don't know the pronunciation. Now we need to go back from here, then go to save roster, then select save custom roster. Name your roster file. So I'll just name it ABC for the sake of this video, and then select the roster save file, and then our roster will be saved. Then we need to go back from here. Now scroll down bottom and then select franchise. So here we need to press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation to open more options, then select start new. After that, we need to load our own roster into our franchise mode. So select the third option, which will be load your own roster. Then select the roster file which we just saved. When you reach the franchise setup screen, choose take full control rather than go streamline. This is important because only the full control option allows you to edit player ratings and appearance later, while the streamline option restricts those customization features. Now select the team which we just created. So this was the team. I use this team as my created players team, so that's why we need to select it. Then use your D-pad to go to continue and then select it. Now I'm just keeping this part here because I want to show you that quickly, but you can set up all of these things according to your team need. And now to customize our players attributes and all of those stuffs, we need to go to front office at the top, then go to manage roster. Now if I go down to the bottom, you can see Nathan Smith has been added into my team. If I want to customize him, then select him by pressing A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation. Now on this right panel, we can select edit player, and then we can go to attributes and adjust the attributes like you want. So I want to increase the contact, So you can just go through all of these attributes and set them according to your need. Also you can change the facial features and the appearance of your player. You can just go to general, you can change his name, region, and then you can also change his physical appearance from here as well. So this is the process. Now save him by pressing options button or main menu button on your Xbox controller, then save these changes by selecting OK. And you can do all of these things for every individual players, and then your own custom created players team will be ready. Also don't forget to save your franchise mode. For that, go to settings from the top right corner. Under it we need to go to file management, then go to save and select franchise. After that we need to name our franchise. Let's just name it ABCD and then hit done, and then our franchise will be saved so that you don't lose your progress. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.